Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the dollar versus yen. Today's date is July 19th, 2023. As a review, if we go to the daily chart, the low price that we saw at the end of last week, or last week, I guess I should say, came in right at the 100 and 200-day moving averages. Since that time, the price has seen a rebound back to the upside, and we moved to a high today, which entered into this swing area going back in time. This area was defined, sort of back here where the price highs and lows came in near this area. We moved a little bit above it here. It's a little bit messy through here, but then based against it here before moving to the upside and trading to the downside. In trading last week, the price fell below that level and now moving back toward it. That area comes between the 139.89 and 140.29 level. As we can see, the price moved a little bit into that area today. So there is a corrective type of price action here on the daily chart. Let's look at the hourly chart and see what that is telling us. And we look at this chart. Here's our support against the moving averages down here. You can see how it bounced off that level. The price action has been more up and down here in trading yesterday. The price fell, moved above the 100-hour moving average and then fell back below it and then moved back above it. What I like at least is that the price based against the 100-hour moving average on this hourly bar before rotating to the upside. This swing area has been made a mess of, honestly, with moves above it here and then here. Finally, we started to see buyers lean against this area in the Asian session and then move to the upside. That move to the upside took the price above the 200-hour moving average. Ueda comments about suggesting that the Bank of Japan would keep the yield curve control in play, helped to push the yen to the downside, the dollar higher, and that's what helped to propel this pair above the 200-hour moving average. It's the first break above that moving average since this day right here. Back on July 6th. So, but as you can see, the price has not been able to stay above that level, and we're currently back below the 200-hour moving average of 139.65. So, what does that say? Well, it says that there was a bit of disappointment. We saw disappointment above the 100-hour moving averages, as outlined right through here. Now we're seeing disappointments above the 200-hour moving average. You got to respect that, and we're trying to hold the 200-hour moving average right now. On the current hourly bar. We'll see if that level can hold resistance for the rest of the hour, but this is going to be the barometer for us in trading here today. If we're able to get above it and maybe even above this level right here, 139.75, then the upside can have traders looking toward the 38.2% retracement, and maybe this swing area here. It's probably the swing area is probably defined by the 4-hour chart going back in time. You can look at the different levels through here where where we had different swing highs through here before rotating to the upside. We came back down toward it in trading last week and then broke below it. So the 38.2 up to 140.45 levels, the next key target on the top side for the dollar versus yen. Bit mixed picture for this currency pair. Admittedly, that's been the pattern here above and below moving averages. But we're watching that 200-hour moving average as a barometer and trading here today. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.